This is why you need to stay alert. Hurricane Helene is intensifying rapidly. Here's what you must know. Hurricane Helene is rapidly gaining strength in the Gulf of Mexico. Florida is bracing for its impact, expected late Thursday. Experts warn of potentially catastrophic impacts, urging residents to heed evacuation orders. The weather company is providing real-time updates, radar imagery, and essential news reports. Stay informed with hurricane preparedness tips and safety information. These resources can make the difference between life and death. Floridians are evacuating, seeking shelter from Helene's destructive winds, torrential rain, and life-threatening storm surge. Emergency services are on high alert, ready for rescue and recovery efforts. Remember, staying informed and taking precautions is crucial. Follow local authorities' instructions and prioritize your safety. Hurricane Helene is coming. Stay alert.